All right, who's going with me? Oh, thank you. How many times have I gone out without my gloves?
All of them.
Keep forgetting.
You can take it out there and it's 16 degrees and you're like, man.
Finger hurt. Got my security team. This is insane. I don't know if I ever remember. Well, I guess we had a lot of snow every once in a while. Every few years. But this is a little crazy. It snowed non-stop since yesterday afternoon. Luckily we went into town and got all our stuff, but this is crazy. Look at my chickens. Uh-oh. What are you doing over there? Look at this. What are you doing over here? Do you want to go in? Right here. Go in. Go in. Crazy. Oh, catch her and bring her in the other side. Whoa, the other side. Chickens don't like snow. Few of them out. Everybody's doing good. We got heater in the water. Everybody's got food. There's a hot plate right there. So the water stays defrosted. They must have just heard me because all the chickens were inside. See, they hear me. But this is what we do not have heat in our coops. We cannot have chicken tractors all year because of the snow. So we have an automatic door. Oh, Jesus, frozen. On the coop itself, and then we have an automatic door that we open manually, but it closes by itself. But this is the deep bedding. Look how deep. So I just keep throwing a small layer of straw on there, and many times I grab a scoop of corn, especially when it's cold, and I let them turn it, and we'll use that in the gardens for the next season. So you don't need so much as a heat lamp in here. Let's see what the temperature is. It says it's like 32, which is pretty good because it's 16 outside. Sorry, I'll come back with treats. I have to feed the baby. We have an automatic feeder as well that is solar powered, and it drops. So, and then we also, because I have so many chickens, we fill up their feeders for however much food they want. But the automatic feeders is nice, especially if we are out of town. Then it gives them a little bit at a time. Okay. I gotta feed the baby. So we have a bottle fed goat, and I actually just found this place that does a drop off of raw milk. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is not normal, but still fun because it's not normal. I guess that's why it's fun still. Look at that water. Everyone has a shelter. The mommies are all in their shelter. The babies are loving the snow. Hey, Brittany. There's my bottle baby. I'm coming. 2 mamas delivering. Bella's next. She's very anxious. Does not want to go inside her little house. Come on. I know. He's Bella. I mean, Mocha, you ate all your straw. Okay. What? Okay. Hi. So I have some raw cow milk that I warmed up. Oh my gosh. You got your own milk. Mocha, luckily, she lets Regina come in here with her 2 babies. Susie's actually Reggie's mom, but she abandoned her like she did to Brittany, so we won't be breeding her again. You guys smell the milk? So, hi. Hi. Mocha, you stink really bad. So, if you look at, I think it was called rawmilk.com, and you can put in your zip code or your city, and you can find a farm that delivers local raw milk to your area. So I slowly have been moving, our family. We used to drink low-fat milk, and then I transitioned them to whole milk, and now they're in raw milk, which it really doesn't taste any different. It doesn't even taste like thick milk or whole milk. It actually is very light, which I've never had raw milk before, so it's nice. My husband likes it. He's probably the hardest one to convince that he likes it. So the boys are still a little skeptical, but once that's all we have. Hey, nope. Oh, nope. Don't eat the camera. Don't eat the camera. No, Mocha. Oh. Okay. And they'll just transition to milk. Mocha. Goats are very curious animals. Okay. But the goats have deep bedding. I keep adding bedding to their stalls as well. But they have 2 lights. They have a light in the baby area, that all the babies climb in. All three of them actually do now. And then one in the middle just to keep the chill off. Goats generally don't like the snow. The babies obviously don't mind. They like to play in it. They're very curious and playful. But sheep don't mind the snow at all. They're laying outside with piles high of snow. They don't mind it at all. But they have a shelter because, like I said, Bella should be lambing this coming weekend. I think her due date is Sunday. Just in case, we kind of put them up a week ahead of time. And then Velo, I think, is a week or two behind her. I mean, not Velo, Mary. And then everyone will be done. For the most part, I wouldn't have babies this early in the year. Because our snow time is January, February, and we're only like February 6th or something. But because the kids do 4-H, you want them to be as big as possible by September. First weekend of September, Labor Day weekend, is the fair. So you kind of have to have them born this early. Are you done? The cow's milk seems to fill her more than the replacement milk. Since I had extra cow milk, because tomorrow's where we get more, I had a half gallon left. I'm giving it. Don't fall in that water. To her. Hi. Hi. All done? So, I have insulated bibs on and an insulated jacket, so I'm actually pretty warm. These guys are very fuzzy, especially as the winter comes, they get really fuzzy. So hopefully by the end of the month, then we'll start milking these goats and locking up the babies at night. Want some more? Okay, I'm going. Have fun. Be good. Are you playing in the snow? Are you playing in the snow? Yeah? Show them how cute you are. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. These guys are silly. Go, 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 go. You want to run with me? Oh, look at this one. Hey. There you, come on. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're welcome. You want some more? Oh, you're knocking me all over. Okay, go lay down. Here's Sally, who I think we're going to use to replace Susie. This is Mocha's baby from last year that we didn't sell. And this is Brittany, who doesn't love Brittany? We just kept Brittany. She was our first bottle baby, huh? We keep you for Harper? Yeah? Because you're so gentle? Okay, go lay down, baby. Whew. Okay, go lay down. Velo, she wants to get out of here. She wants to get out of here, huh, Velo? You need to have your baby in the shelter today, or this time. She's dropped a couple lambs in the snow. She just kind of panics and goes way off in the paddock. And then we just find her with her babies early in the morning. So we're trying to keep that from happening, huh? Yep, go lay down. Look at this snow, it's insane. And it's still coming down. It's to my knee. Let's go see if we can catch that chicken in Butterman's eye. Scoop of corn too. It's knocked over my bucket. There you are. Scratch for the winter time. Kind of keeps them warm. The only thing you really need to do is like watch their feet. They'll lay down on the warm straw or perch. You'll see if they're cold, they'll keep one foot up. All my roosters. I think I told you I had like 6 or 7 roosters. They're really good. They don't fight. Want some scratch? Keep warm? Put some in here. And they'll scratch it all up and stay warm. Look how pretty they are. I love roosters. I think they're so pretty. I like the sound, personally, of roosters crowing. I mean, I can faintly... Oh, snow. I can faintly hear them in the morning once in a while. But your house is so insulated, you really can't hear them. And I don't live by any neighbors either. So I can understand if you live in a neighborhood. You can't really have roosters. So the bedding, I just get the baled chopped straw. Oh, I see some eggs. Oh, what was that? Did a weird noise. I got one egg. There. Oh, phew, they're hiding them. 3 eggs. I'm getting about anywhere from 3 to 6 eggs a day right now. They're not going to lay too much right now because it's cold. And what I do, I freeze dry my eggs. So I have, I think, about 3 1-gallon jars of eggs, freeze-dried eggs, stocked up. I'm almost done with the first gallon. And ready? Okay. It's heavy, huh? Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Come on. She's like, I'm smart. I have a pal. You can say bye to babies. Come on, Darla. Come on. We're all done. But if you scramble the eggs, when you have, I mean, we were getting 24 eggs a day in the peak, and I just scramble about 4 dozen at a time and then freeze dry them, and I would say a gallon holds about 8 dozen eggs, so do that twice. And then I have eggs for the whole winter. I don't need to worry about it. If you keep young eggs, I mean young babies, so if you just get a few chicks every year, then like that's who's laying right now. They usually lay all year that first year. Darla! Darla, come on! Darla! Darla, come on! Darla, let's go. Darla, come on. Let's go. Come on. Darla, come. Good girl. Come on. Smells delicious in here. Someone's making pizza. But here's my freeze-dried eggs. Here's my freeze-dried potatoes. And there's my freeze-dried eggs. So I just take a scoop of that and add water to it. It's supposed to be 1-to-1, but I think it's more like 2-to-1. So I do like half a cup of egg, no, a 1/4 cup of egg, not half a cup, to a half a cup of water. And that usually gives me, like, it feels like 2 scrambled eggs for breakfast. So that's pretty much storage, because usually I have stacks and stacks of eggs here, but that's all we got. All right, I'm gonna go warm up. I finished my workout, I started a fire. I'm gonna go take a shower and get cozy for the rest of the day. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking on my chickens and feeding the babies. Here's to our first big snowstorm of 2025.